Welcome everyone to Ocean City, Maryland, where ground has been broken on renovations to the downtown St. Louis Avenue Park between 3rd and 4th Streets. Improvements to the park on the bay side of St. Louis Avenue will include elevating the property and adding head-on parking. In addition, there will be walking paths, benches, and a new playground. On the ocean side of the avenue will be an expansion of the Ocean Bowl Skate Complex, a new multi-court surface for both tennis and pickleball, as well as reconstruction of the basketball courts, plus a new set of restrooms. The planning for the park's upgrades have been 18 years in the working, so it's safe to say it's long overdue. Stay tuned here at Daniel Kester's Coast for completion of Ocean City's downtown municipal playground.